For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a small business has never been more accessible, thanks to the rapid development of artificial intelligence, AI tools. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, write business plans, research markets, design branding, manage operations, automate marketing, and even serve customers, all on a budget. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to start your own small business using the power of AI from ideation to launch. Step 1. Identify a profitable business idea using AI. Use AI tools to generate business ideas based on trends, demand, and your personal interests or skills. Tools to use. ChatGPT, OpenAI asks for profitable ideas based on your expertise. Google Trends plus AI summaries. Research growing niches and ask AI to interpret the data. Exploding topics or Trend Hunter. Use trend discovery tools and feed topics into AI for business model suggestions. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Give me 10 profitable small business ideas I can start with under $1,000 related to fitness and health. Step 2. Validate the idea with AI-powered market research. Once you've picked a business idea, test it with market research. AI can help you analyze competitors, identify your target audience, and understand demand. Tools to use. ChatGPT or Claude. Ask AI to help summarize your competitors' strengths and weaknesses. SEMrush/Ahrefs. Use keyword tools with AI to see what people are searching for. Ubersuggest plus ChatGPT. Combine keyword volume data with AI to determine potential. Action. Ask ChatGPT to perform a SWOT analysis of your business idea based on current market trends. Step 3. Create a business plan with AI assistance. A solid business plan helps clarify your goals, secure funding, and stay on track. AI can draft the entire document with minimal input from you. Tools to use. ChatGPT. Request a business plan template and customize it. Copy.ai or Jasper. Generate professional writing for executive summaries, mission statements, etc. Prompt. Create a business plan for a mobile pet grooming business, including market analysis, startup costs, marketing plan, and financial projections. Step 4. Choose a business name and design a brand with AI. Naming and branding are essential. AI can help you brainstorm catchy names and even generate logos. Tools to use. Namelix, AI-powered business name generator. Loca or Brandmark. Generate logos and visual branding using AI. ChatGPT for tagline creation and brand messaging. Action. Ask AI. Suggest 10 brand names for an eco-friendly cleaning service targeting small offices. Step 5. Register your business and secure legal documents. While AI can't register your business for you, it can guide you through the process. Tools to use. ChatGPT. Ask for a checklist of licenses and permits for your business type and location. LegalZoom/Rocket Lawyer plus AI help. Combine legal services with AI assistance for better clarity. Example prompt. What licenses and permits are needed to start a food truck business in Florida? Step 6. Build your website and online presence using AI. Today, a website is essential. You don't need to hire a web designer. AI tools can help you build and launch one in a day. Tools to use. Wix ADI or Shopify Magic. AI-powered website builders. Durable.co. Instantly create a business website with AI. ChatGPT plus Notion AI. Help you write web content, about pages, and FAQs. Action. Ask ChatGPT. Write SEO-friendly homepage content for a virtual bookkeeping business targeting freelancers. Step 7. Automate marketing and customer engagement with AI. Marketing is crucial to grow your business. AI can automate social media, email campaigns, content creation, and even customer service. Tools to use. ChatGPT or Jasper. Write blog posts, emails, social captions. Buffer/Hootsuite AI. Schedule and optimize social posts. ManyChat or Chatbase. Build AI chatbots to handle customer questions. Prompt. Create a 7-day Instagram content calendar for a new smoothie delivery service targeting busy professionals. Step 8. Manage finances and operations with AI tools. AI can help you manage your budget, track expenses, and even make smarter business decisions with predictive analytics. Tools to use: QuickBooks with AI insights, track income, expenses, and automate invoices. Zoho Books or Wave, budget-friendly AI accounting tools. ChatGPT, help explain financial concepts and recommend expense categories. Example prompt: help me create a monthly expense tracking spreadsheet for a home cleaning service. Step 9. Launch and scale your business with AI optimization. With everything in place, it's time to launch. AI helps you monitor performance and optimize your business strategy. Tools to use: Google Analytics plus ChatGPT summaries. Interpret website traffic data. ChatGPT or Bard, help you analyze customer feedback and suggest improvements. Surfer SEO/phrase.io, optimize content marketing strategies using AI. Action: ask ChatGPT, analyze this negative customer review and suggest how to respond professionally and improve the service. Step 10. Keep learning and adapting with AI as your assistant. AI isn't a one-time tool. It's an ongoing assistant. Use it daily to stay competitive, learn new skills, and adapt your business to market shifts. Tools to use: ChatGPT for ongoing brainstorming, competitor research, and content generation. AI newsletters. Subscribe to AI tips via tools like Futurepedia or AI Valley. Prompt marketplaces. Use curated AI prompts to optimize your daily operations. Prompt Hero, FlowGPT. Final thoughts: with AI at your side, starting a small business is faster, smarter, and more cost-effective than ever. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a team of two, AI empowers you to launch ideas quickly. Work like a team of 5. Save on time, labor, and overhead. The secret is to treat AI not just as a tool, but as a business partner that helps you think, write, analyze, plan, and grow, all from your laptop or phone. Pro tip: make AI a part of your daily workflow. Start each morning by asking ChatGPT, what are 3 things I can do today to grow my business-type business? That one question can guide your focus, generate creative solutions, and help you keep momentum. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.